Are you looking to transform your home into a stunning space that reflects your personality? With so many styles to choose from, it can be overwhelming. What if there was a way to make your home both beautiful and unique without breaking the bank? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 7 home decorating ideas that can completely change your living space. From minimalist design to coastal vibes, each idea offers something special. Ready to find out which style is perfect for you? Let's get started. First up, minimalist design focuses on simplicity, functionality, and the use of essential elements to create a clean and uncluttered space. It emphasizes the idea that less is more, where every piece of furniture, decor, and color has a purpose and contributes to the overall harmony of the room. Key characteristics include a neutral color palette, often dominated by whites, grays, and blacks, with occasional accents of muted tones. Furniture is typically modern, with clean lines and sleek surfaces. Clutter is minimized, and storage solutions are integrated seamlessly into the design to maintain a tidy environment. Lighting plays a crucial role, with natural light being maximized through large windows and the use of sheer curtains or blinds. Artificial lighting is kept simple with fixtures like pendant lights or recessed lighting that provide a soft, even glow. Textures and materials are chosen for their natural qualities, such as wood, metal, and glass, to add warmth and interest without overwhelming the space. Decorative items are kept to a minimum, focusing on a few statement pieces that add personality and character. Overall, minimalist design creates a tranquil and orderly home environment, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Next, we have the Bohemian Style, or boho, is characterized by its eclectic, free-spirited aesthetic that embraces bold colors, diverse patterns, and a mix of textures. It reflects a lifestyle that values creativity, adventure, and cultural diversity. Key elements include vibrant hues such as rich reds, purples, and oranges, often combined with earthy tones like browns and greens. Layered textiles play a significant role, with throw blankets, area rugs, and cushions in various patterns, like paisley, ikat, and tribal designs. Furniture in a bohemian home tends to be vintage or globally inspired, with an emphasis on comfort and coziness. Pieces often have a distressed or well-loved look. Natural materials like wood, rattan, and woven fabrics are common, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Decor is abundant and eclectic, featuring items like macrame wall hangings, indoor plants, and an array of trinkets from different cultures and travels. Artworks and handmade crafts are prominently displayed, adding personal and artistic touches to the space. Overall, the Bohemian style celebrates individuality and a laid-back lifestyle, creating a space that is both visually stimulating and deeply personal. Our third design is Scandinavian Aesthetic. The Scandinavian aesthetic is renowned for its simplicity, functionality, and connection to nature. It combines minimalist principles with cozy elements to create inviting and practical spaces. A neutral color palette dominates, featuring whites, grays, and light blues, often accented with natural wood tones. This approach enhances natural light and creates a serene and airy atmosphere. Furniture is functional with clean lines and often made from natural materials like wood, leather, and wool. Comfort is key, with plush textiles like throws and cushions adding a cozy touch, known as hygge. Decor is minimal but meaningful, with a focus on quality over quantity. Art and decor items are often understated, adding subtle interest without overwhelming the space. Houseplants are common, bringing a touch of nature indoors and improving air quality. Lighting is crucial in Scandinavian design, with an emphasis on natural light, complemented by simple, modern fixtures like pendant lights and floor lamps. Candles are also frequently used to enhance the cozy ambiance. Overall, the Scandinavian aesthetic balances simplicity and comfort, creating a harmonious and inviting home environment. Our fourth design is industrial chic design, draws inspiration from old factories and industrial spaces, incorporating raw and unfinished elements to create a stylish, urban look. Key features include exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and visible ductwork or pipes, celebrating the building's structural elements. The color palette is typically neutral, with grays, blacks, and metallics, sometimes accented with bold hues like deep reds or blues. Furniture combines modern and vintage pieces, often made from metal, wood, and leather. Pieces are usually functional and robust, with a utilitarian aesthetic. Open shelving, reclaimed wood tables, and metal light fixtures are common elements. Decor is minimal and purposeful, with a focus on functionality. Items such as industrial-style lighting, large-scale wall art, and metal-framed mirrors add character without cluttering the space. Textures play a significant role, with a mix of smooth and rough surfaces creating visual interest. Soft furnishings like rugs and cushions add warmth and comfort to the otherwise stark materials. Overall, industrial chic design creates a cool, urban vibe that is both edgy and sophisticated, perfect for those who appreciate a blend of modern and vintage aesthetics. Mid-century modern design is characterized by its clean lines, organic shapes, and integration with nature. Originating in the mid-20th century, this style remains popular for its timeless appeal and functional elegance. The color palette often includes warm woods like teak, paired with bold colors such as mustard, olive, and turquoise. Neutral tones are also common, creating a balanced and harmonious look. Furniture features sleek, aerodynamic designs with tapered legs and minimal ornamentation. Pieces like Eames chairs, Noguchi tables, and modular sofas are iconic examples. Materials such as wood, metal, and plastic are frequently used, often in innovative ways. Decor is minimal but impactful, with an emphasis on geometric patterns and organic forms. Lighting fixtures are distinctive, often featuring Sputnik chandeliers or arc floor lamps that make a statement. Artwork and accessories are carefully chosen to complement the overall design, often featuring abstract or nature-inspired themes. Indoor plants are also popular, adding a touch of greenery and enhancing the connection to nature. Overall, mid-century modern design combines functionality with stylish aesthetics, creating spaces that are both practical and visually pleasing. Farmhouse Charm design embraces rustic elements and a cozy, lived-in feel, evoking the simplicity and warmth of rural life. The color palette is typically soft and neutral, with whites, creams, and pastels predominating. Natural wood tones add warmth and authenticity, while occasional pops of color provide interest. Furniture is sturdy and functional, often with a vintage or distressed look. Key pieces include farmhouse tables, apron sinks, and cozy upholstered sofas. Natural materials like wood, metal, and linen are commonly used. Decor is abundant and homely, featuring items like mason jars, woven baskets, and antique signs. Textiles such as gingham, burlap, and lace add texture and charm. Handcrafted items and family heirlooms often take center stage, adding a personal touch. Lighting is warm and inviting, with fixtures like chandeliers, lanterns, and sconces contributing to the rustic ambiance. Natural light is also maximized, with large windows and sheer curtains. Overall, Farmhouse Charm design creates a welcoming and comfortable home environment, full of character and nostalgic appeal. Finally, Coastal Vibes design is inspired by the beach and ocean, creating a serene and airy environment that evokes the feeling of a seaside retreat. The color palette is light and breezy, featuring whites, blues, and sandy neutrals. Accents of turquoise, coral, and seafoam green bring a touch of the ocean indoors. Furniture is casual and comfortable, often made from natural materials like rattan, wicker, and weathered wood. Pieces like slip-covered sofas, woven chairs, and driftwood tables add to the relaxed ambiance. Decor includes nautical elements and beach-inspired accessories such as seashells, driftwood, and marine-themed artwork. Light and airy textiles like linen and cotton enhance the coastal feel, while sheer curtains allow natural light to flood the space. Lighting is natural and bright, with large windows and glass doors maximizing the flow of daylight. Fixtures like lanterns, pendant lights, and table lamps with a nautical twist add charm and functionality. Overall, Coastal Vibes design creates a peaceful and inviting home environment, perfect for those who love the beach and the soothing sounds of the sea. Don't forget to incorporate budget-friendly tips to maximize your home's potential without spending a fortune. From minimalist to coastal, we've covered stunning styles to transform your home. Which style is your favorite? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more home decor tips and easy decorating ideas. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video on budget-friendly home improvement hacks.